Soaking concrete is not optional when it comes to proper curing. This process is crucial because the proper moisture management strengthens concrete structures and reduces the risk of foundation issues. I'm Justin, and today we're looking at how to manage moisture to ensure your foundation reaches its full potential. The process of soaking concrete plays a key role in strengthening the material so that it can support the weight it was designed to carry. Water assists in chemical reactions called hydration that allow the concrete to seal its internal pores for long-term resilience. Maintaining adequate moisture ensures the concrete develops uniformly, allowing it to withstand external pressure without undermining the structure. Insufficient moisture is a serious hazard. Without enough water, concrete fails to reach its optimal strength, leading to uneven curing and structural cracks. This lack of hydration creates internal stress that can compromise the stability of basements and crawl spaces. Experienced companies monitor these moisture factors strictly to avoid these structural hazards. Proper soaking offers three major benefits. First, it enhances compressive strength by minimizing evaporation. Second, it reduces the risk of cracking in freshly poured concrete by supporting a steady hydration reaction. Finally, it improves long-term durability, significantly extending the lifespan of the structure and safeguarding it against wear over time. To get the best results, you must determine the optimal soaking duration based on your specific site conditions. Best practice suggests beginning the soaking process immediately after the concrete is laid. You must also consider the weather. Temperature changes affect water retention, and experts must adjust water application to suit the climate, whether dealing with high humidity or cold weather, to ensure the concrete cures uniformly. However, you must avoid overwatering. Excess moisture can weaken the bond between the concrete and reinforcement beams, increasing the risk of defects and even mold growth. On the other hand, neglecting curing after placement increases porosity, which limits the concrete strength and can lead to premature degradation. Continuous monitoring and adequate soaking are essential to prevent these defects. Proper curing is the foundation of a successful repair. It ensures that repair materials hold firm and minimize future movement. Dalinghaus Construction specializes in these solid, long-lasting fixes using proven curing methods. If you want to ensure your property has a robust base, contact us today for your free evaluation. Let's make sure your foundation is built to last. I'm Justin, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.